You pick something you love, turn it into your main source of income, and suddenly you don't love it anymore. That's the part they don't put on motivational posters. Somewhere along the way, follow your passion became the ultimate life advice. Sounds amazing. Do what you love, money will follow, life will be perfect. Yeah, except money doesn't follow passion. Deadlines follow passion. Bills follow passion. Stress definitely follows passion. And now the thing you once enjoyed is sitting there like a job because it is one. Here, what usually happens. Someone enjoys something casually. Maybe it's designing, gaming, fitness, photography, whatever. It's fun because there's no pressure. No deadlines, no expectations, no need to make $1,000 from it by the end of the month. Then they decide, this is it. This is my passion, I'm going all in. Now suddenly it has to pay rent. It has to be consistent. It has to perform. And that's when things get weird. Because the moment money enters, the relationship changes. You're no longer doing it because you enjoy it. You're doing it because you have to. And nothing kills passion faster than pressure. Now, this doesn't mean passion is useless. It just means it's misunderstood. Passion is a terrible starting point for money, but a great multiplier. Meaning, it helps you go further once something is already working. But relying on it to build your income from zero, that's risky. Because passion doesn't guarantee skills. And skills are what people actually pay for. That's why you'll see two people in the same situation. One follows passion blindly, struggles to make $100, gets frustrated, quits. The other focuses on building a skill that people need, starts earning consistently, and then slowly adds passion into it. One is chasing enjoyment first. The other is building stability first. Guess which one has less stress? Money doesn't reward what you love, it rewards what's useful. And sometimes those two things overlap, but you don't start there. You build towards it. So instead of asking, what am I passionate about? A better question is, what can I get good at that people are willing to pay for? Because once money is stable, you can afford to enjoy your passion again, without turning it into something that has to survive. And that's the irony. The fastest way to kill something you love is to depend on it financially too early. Because following your passion sounds inspiring, until your passion has to pay your bills, and suddenly, it feels like everything else you were trying to escape.